Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NNRX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be made. The first big not really an update, but more so kind of a confirmation point would be in regards to that pink line there, which is the 200 period simple moving average. For those of you that watched the video on Monday, I talked about that level being quite important just because just in charts in general, that's always an important level to watch. And so far, so good. The price went down there several times today and has tested it. And like I said, so far, so good. The price is indeed holding strong, up above it. Now, as far as, kind of levels of resistance, actually, I'm going to take a step back. In the event the price does not hold above that pink line, then it would not be shocking at all to see the price at all head back down to right around the James Bond level at 007. So like I said, to give full credit where credit's due, the price has been doing a fantastic job of holding up above the pink line, again, the 200 period moving average. But again, if that level does not hold up, then like I said, and that's not exactly a gutsy call given that 007 is not that far away, but just realize James Bond 007 would be that next key level of support in the event that pink line does not quite hold up. Now, in the event it does produce another bounce, which it did right here, the overarching level of resistance to keep an eye on is up here at 0.0117. And as I also talked about yesterday, the other level from a resistance standpoint to watch is that purple line there, the 50 period simple moving average. But as things stand right now, a little bit too far ahead of yourselves if you're already focused on doing battle with the 50 period. When first off, the price, kind of A, needs to get a bounce off that 200 period. B, needs to break up through 0.0117. And then kind of, step C, if you will be, then you can turn your attention to breaking up above the 50 period moving average. So keep your eye on these general levels. And yeah, the pullback's getting a little bit deeper here. But like I said, from the grand scheme of it all, the price is still up above that 200 period moving average. And that's a very important thing from an overall trend perspective. So we'll see if the price can maintain above that level or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.